Good morning. Just the person you wanted to see, right? I got Josh's motor. Josh isn't here. Josh is on his way. I don't care. Put a 5.3 back in Josh's truck. This is the motor out of Lexus, in case you didn't see the short. 6 years old, it's seen a bunch of boost. It's I took it out because I didn't want to ruin this good motor to do what I needed to do for Pinks, which I should have, because then the car wouldn't be like down. But this goes with all of this for now. Even at like 18 pounds, we're gonna find a way to blow it up. It's just the way we go through. Listen to Ozzy Osbourne, the song changes, yet we're still doing the same shit. I think we're insane. Stay tuned. Maybe you see something fun, maybe not. Goodbye. We're back. Make a couple notes. 5.3, what we use is these are the BTR small bore gaskets. It's a 7-layer, kind of like an LSA, LS9 gasket. It's a little more forgiving. I think we have a part number. Josh? I don't think there is a part number on these ones. I lied. Right there. Voila. They compress great. And as you can see, there's not a lot of overlap. Perfect choice for an LS1 as well, with slightly larger bore. Bye. Hey, look. It's Josh. We ended up using a set of Liberty heads that we had for Josh's truck. This is the second time we used them because this is like the 4th motor. But we don't have to worry about freeze plugs, no adding other expansion plug holders. He's now torquing down ARP head studs. These are 3 steps. It's supposed to be 25, 50, and then 80 foot-pounds. Then the little guys up here are all going to be 28 foot-pounds.
Same order, right?
Sure. So, but yeah, baby steps. Hi, it's my face again. This, your camera retainer plate, Tech. You can get them off of like Rock Auto. They're actually very affordable, very comparable to everything else we've used. Josh, hold this.
Yes.
So, what it looks like, this guy. Everybody knows what this looks like. Maybe you don't, and you're learning from the wrong guy. This little seal, raised. I mean, you can get away with it. Some people just put RTV on them, but I mean, for like 12 bucks, it's all good. We also, anybody that's done an LS knows just how much fun these bolts are. These bolts made by Apex, AES 319. That's the part number. You get a set of 4. Already have Loctite on them. The retainer plate is CR9016. Just replace it, because, well, if you get lucky, if you're fucking lucky, then the bolts will come out without an issue for you. But a lot of times what we get is it'll even be the most well-maintained cars. And we're over here, we'll break a T40, because that's all this guy is a T40. We'll break them off. And how many do you think I've gone through?
Well, I only have 3 to try to put back in it, so I'm glad you have your own.
That's not what that is.
Okay, good.
That's for your plate.
Good.
So, anyways, well, we're back. So we always break our T40s because they have a weird bevel to them and they're easy to snap. So we ended up having to tack weld nuts to them. So it's just easier. Just replace it as you go. And it literally just sits up front, acts like a thrust plate. Sits up front, holds the camshaft from banging or coming out, making sure that your timing chain is all staying nice and true and not sliding back and forth. Which kind of works together with your aftermarket timing sets, which we like to use the single roller billet, which have a Torrington bearing. Torrington bearing mounts on the back side of the actual cam gear and actually rides on this plate, and it holds everything in place. Because naturally, for some weird reason, I haven't figured it out. Somebody hasn't explained it to me, so maybe you guys can. Camshaft always wants to move forward. Like if you don't have this, it'll always pull forward. It might just be the load of the chain, whatever. It's just, it could be the cut. It's kind of like the grade of a road. So it holds everything in place, keeps everything from making metal to metal contact when you have it in key with that Torrington bearing, which is actually right here. This guy on the back side. So it just sandwiches on there, so it can't wiggle and wobble, and it'll be the only piece that lasts in Josh's motor.
Yay!
Hey. Now it's time. We're putting time set on. I was showing Josh how you actually set it, degree the cam itself, which is, we're not degreeing the cam. We just set dot to dot, but he's got an adjustable timing set. But the most important thing that you could possibly remember when it comes to putting an engine together is torque specs. Torque specs are everything. Without proper torque specs, you have bolts that shear off. You've got misalignment. You just got a whole bunch of issues, man. So if you've got it, just buy the proper tools. Only a fucking idiot would not use the right tools.
Torque.
Look at this. Now we're on the valve train. Push rod length is imperative to the success and the longevity of your motor. Luckily, we already went through this bullshit with Josh's motor. Here we have a 7.55 inch long 080 wall 3/8 push rod. Yeah, 3/8. But since he has Johnson link bar lifters, you really got to make sure that you put these in the right spot because they don't exactly fall where you want them to all the time. So we use a stupid little light. Oops, missed it. Can't even tell. I think that's it.
I think so too.
Yeah.